前回の動画ではプラネットナイン探索の
アプローチを学びました。プラネットナインは仮説段階ですので、否定的な結果を示す観測も存在します。多角的な視点で探求することが科学の本質です。今後の観測と他の観測を紹介します。
Each fundamental question about how reliable is the IRS work in such a telescope? How much did you consider the systematic error in such an observation?
So actually, before we make the candidate pair, IRS and Artery pair, we only selected the source with high flux quality measurement. Because if one band, for example, like 90 band, the flux measurement is not reliable, and we cannot use that data. Yeah. So, but for the false alarm possibility, we haven't discussed it in this paper. So maybe if we search for if we found planet 9 candidates in the closer distance range, then we have to discuss this paper.
Yeah. Yeah. In previous CMB observations, due to the less enough consideration of the systematic error, one group did some incorrect alert of the discovery of some very important signature of the cosmological hypothesis. So I'm very interested in systematic error about such an observation. Okay. I see. And finally, you found one candidate of the planet 9.
Yeah.
Comparing this candidate with the previous prediction, what can we say? Is it consistent with the previous prediction, or does it include totally unexpected property?
Actually, Brown and Patigan paper in 2016, they predict that planet 9, like the inclination of the orbit, should be around 20 to 30 degrees. But for our candidate, it turns out that the inclination is up to 120 degrees. It's like perpendicular to the solar system planet. Yeah. And Mike Brown said that even my candidate is a real object, so it's not consistent with the planet 9 that he predicted before. Yes. But in my point of view, even it's not planet 9, we still keep going to search for planet 9. So, and if this candidate is another solar system object, then we make another discovery, interesting discovery.
I see. You mentioned about the probability of not finding the 9 times. So the one possibility is the stellar body outer than the solar system. Do you have another possibility about the not planet 9 discovery by your research? So in other words, do you have a possibility of just unsuitable assumption of the planet 9, or some error or some systematic error of the radio iris data? What kind of possibility that this is not a planet 9?
Yeah, I am thinking about one possibility that the orbital cluster is triggered by two planets, but that's just my thought. Yeah, I asked Mike Brown about this, but he said that he haven't simulated that scenario. So, but in this case, we sort of discuss about the false alarm possibility. Yeah, but maybe we will discuss about this in the following study, in the follow-up study. Because currently we plan to search for planet 9 in closer distance range to cover the range of the predicted distance. Because currently we don't know where planet 9 is on its orbit. So, but in my first study, I searched for planet 9 within 500 to 700 AU, and my plan is to extend it to the closest range from 280 to 500 AU, and I expect that we will have more candidates. If planet 9 is currently passing or approaching its predicted perihelion, then we will have a chance to detect planet 9 in the follow-up study.
I see. So you want more observation data to determine the orbit of the planet?
Yes, that's true.
Oh, I see. I said I'm from a cosmic microwave background research, and it is also an infrared wavelength study. So I'm thinking about whether the CMB telescope can contribute to such a trajectory research. Because the CMB telescope is a large aperture telescope of the universe, and it has a pretty good angular resolution.
Yeah, so recently I have heard about the Steinman observatory that can be suitable for planet 9 search, because they can extend the search range from 500 up to 900 AU. Yeah, so that's the good way to search for planet 9 in the further distant range. Because in this study we cannot go further than 700 AU because source flux will be lower than the detection limit. So our maximum distance is 700 AU. And if Steinman Observatory can search for planet 9 further distance, I think that's a great opportunity for us.
I think, yeah, that's great. So our research about the new planet on the opposite side of the sun. I think studies reported by Princeton. What happens if some planets are in the orbit not closer to the sun?
Yes, actually we have a quick look at the paper. They found one new dwarf planet that located in this side. Yeah. Actually, currently we cannot say that planet 9 hypothesis is true or not, because in that study, after they identify the orbit of that new dwarf planet, they try to simulate two scenarios. One is with planet 9 and without planet 9, and they found that when they include planet 9, the orbit of that dwarf planet is like got perturbed just after 4.1 giga-year, and they suggest that it implies a question about the planet 9 hypothesis, because there's one fact that that dwarf planet is outlier of the orbit. Yes. But to totally rule out the planet 9 hypothesis, they also said that more observations to confirm.
Until the new data from new telescope come, what kind of study would be reviewed?
Currently we try to constrain the planet 9 candidates in the closer range, and then after we have candidates, then we will propose a telescope time to do the follow-up observation both candidates from both studies. Yes, and we plan to use the dark energy camera.
Dark energy camera.
Yeah, because the dark energy camera located in the south, in the southern hemisphere, like in Chile.
Fuji.
Yeah, and it can observe the declination until minus 15. Yeah, so that's the good one. And also the Subaru hydrocephalus power. And we plan to buy a proposal this year to get a telescope next year. Yeah. If we successfully got the telescope, then we can conduct our own observation.
I think, yeah, that sounds interesting.